Hello there, beautiful person. Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. Welcome to my channel. My name is Stephany. For today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys my Ipsy Glam Bag X. So this is a new subscription that Ipsy is doing, and this is the first box they rolled out. So Patrick Ta was supposed to kind of pick out some items. They were curated for us, so I really do hope that you guys like this video. So without further ado, let's just jump right into this video and get started. So I have my Ipsy Glam Bag X to unbox with you guys. So I already opened the box because we're not doing that on my channel. I can never open anything. Like, seriously. So the box is purple, and then it has the logo over here. It says Glam Bag X. So first thing that I see in here is the Ipsy Glam Bag X, curated by Patrick Ta. So it's kind of like a newspaper, which is really cute. And then it has everything. So issue number 1. So reach your brow goals, explore your Glam Bag X, which is valued up to $428. And then it has Halsey's new launch, hot new launch, sorry. So it kind of has Patrick Ta there, and I believe it goes in and explains all of the items you possibly could have gotten in your Glam Bag X. So it's very cute. I like how they did this, kind of like a newspaper. So I'll be using this as we go along. Hopefully I can find everything. I did get to pick 3 of these items, I believe. I can't remember which items I picked, but I believe they do let you pick 3. I can't remember though, cannot remember. So first item that is in here is the Private Doctor by ID Hospital Define Minus Serum. So formulated to minimize lines and create definition. Ooh, that is beautiful. Look, it's like a rose gold serum. I feel like I just want to put this on my vanity just to have it on there. It's so pretty, and it is a little pump, so that should be really cool. This retails for $49, and this says, this is no average face serum inspired by professional derm treatments. It uses micro tingling spicules to deliver a cocktail of smoothing, firming, and plumping ingredients to the deepest layers of the skin. Tip: help boost those benefits by working in the serum with your complex culture tool, focusing on your jawline and cheekbones. So I got that. The next thing that is in here is the 1-1 Skin THEOREM Day Cream. So it's a face lotion. This is what it looks like. It's like a purpley packaging. I'm assuming, I don't see any claims on here. This vitamin, antioxidant, and hyaluronic acid infused formula strengthens, plumps, and revitalizes the complexion while keeping the skin nourished and protected from environmental aggressors. Okay, it's not in here. It's really not in here. I'm serious. Unless I really am blind, but I cannot find this in there, so I don't know how much it retails for. I'll go ahead and let you guys know here on the screen, but there's that. The next thing that is in here is this Complex Culture Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. So, oh, that's pretty cool. So it's like one of those like face tools that you kind of like put in and it vibrates and it helps like absorb the products. I have one of these. I forget what the brand is called. And that's really cool that I got the face serum and this, because it did say in the tip to use it with your complex culture items. So there is that item. And this retails for $58. So $58, and it says the glowing skin and sculpted features Patrick Ta creates on his clients. It starts with the right prep, specifically a smoothing and sculpting face massage using this sonic powered tool. Just glide it over your skin to help reduce puffiness, relieve tension, and sculpt your feature. Patrick tip: I use this to work in skincare before makeup. A little extra prep always goes a long way. Next thing that is in here is this Complex Culture brush, I think. Oh, I already have this one. Yeah, I already have this one. It's really good for like buffing things in. So that's really cool. Okay, so it's not in here either. I'll go ahead and leave here how much it retails for. I'm kind of annoyed that it doesn't say, but it's okay. We'll make it work. Next thing that is in here is these Farrah Beauty brushes. So I got this duo pack of face brushes. I'll go ahead and leave the retail price here as well because it's not in the little newspaper. Okay, next item that is in here is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered. So really pretty packaging. It's like rose gold. Probably because it's called the Rose Gold Palette though. And then this is the packaging, very beautiful. And then here's the inside, little paper. And then that is what the colors look like. It's absolutely gorgeous. I do have some Huda Beauty palettes. I did get them gifted to me for Christmas. The only thing is I believe these guys are not cruelty free, but their eyeshadows are really, really good. So I'll be adding that to my collection. I believe these retail for like $54, maybe around $60. I could be wrong. That's just off the top of my head. Like I said, I don't really buy Huda Beauty because they aren't cruelty free, but it's a really nice palette. I don't think I saw it. Oh yes, it's right here. Haha, just kidding. It is in here. So it retails for $65. Wow, $65. And it says with 18 trendy shades and 4 different finishes, this ultra versatile collection of buttery shadows can be used to create pro quality looks that are soft and romantic or bold and glam. Patrick's tip. Pack on the pigment right where you want it, then take a clean brush or finger to blend the shadow up and out for an elongated cat eye effect. Next thing that is in here is the Pat McGrath Labs FETISHEYES mascara. So it comes in this packaging. I am not very familiar with Pat McGrath either because they aren't cruelty free either, I believe. I can't open this though. So it is a full size mascara. It's just a black tube. I'm going to throw this back in here. Let's open it up, see what it looks like actually. So it's like a puffy little brush. So Pat McGrath Lab. So it says this cult favorite mascara from world-renowned makeup artist Pat McGrath has a flexible, buildable formula that allows you to go from soft and fluttery to bold and thick, making it the ultimate pro artist secret for customizable lashes with 0 clumps or flakes. Patrick's tip. I love that this mascara is so black. It really deepens the eye look and makes it more dramatic. Next item that is in here is the About Face matte paint it lip color. So mine is kind of open already, and it's in this purpley color. So About Face, it has like a frosted plastic packaging kind of, and then it's rubbery at the top, so it's really cool. I feel like Halsey's makeup line because it's very like trendy. And then this is a purpley purple color. I probably won't wear it anytime soon because I'm not really into purples as much as I used to be, but that's what it looks like. It is a matte color. I feel like it would be great for like a girl's night out, you know? So it says Patrick is famous for creating super saturated lips, so he had to include this matte liquid lipstick from About Face, a new brand for everyone, everywhere, created by Halsey. It's ultra pigmented and long lasting yet totally lightweight. To add dimension, apply a liner 2 or 3 shades darker than your lipstick, then go in with the actual color in the center and blend. So there's that, and it retails for $22. Okay, last item that is in here is the Patrick Ta for Face Monochrome Moment Velvet Blush. This is in the color She's Passionate. So love the packaging, very cute. It's rose gold, and then the actual color is like this pinky sort of color. Let me open it up. I believe Patrick Ta is cruelty free. Oh, did I break it? Oh, I didn't break it. Oh, that was a close one. But here's what it looks like. It's in rose gold packaging, which is really cute. And then it's a nice pinky matte blush. So this is really nice. So this retails for $32, and it says Flush Fresh Lit From Within Skin is Patrick Ta's signature. Get the look in real life with a few sweeps of this blush across your cheeks and lids. It doubles as a shadow. The pigments are infused with light reflecting mica for a luminous glow. Apply your blush more toward the upper cheekbone to enhance your bone structure but still give color. I feel like my favorite things were the palette and then the Farrah brushes. I feel like those two are absolutely my favorite, and then maybe the Patrick Ta blush because I do love a good blush. So let me know down below what you thought. Do you think it's worth it? I don't know. You guys let me know because, you know, you do pay extra for this stuff. So let me know down below. I really do hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumb up. If you enjoyed me, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you and your amazingness here on my channel. Seriously, you're amazing. Join me here. So I do hope that I get to see you in my next video. Bye, beautiful person.